Hello student. Today we are going to study about the outbreak of the revolution. Means this was a time when the revolutions of France took place. You all know that the treasury of the king was empty, and he wanted to impose taxes for their day-to-day work. But in France, the old regime, the monarch did not have power to impose taxes according to his bill alone. Means king has no power to impose the taxes. Rather, he had to call a meeting of the state journal which would then pass his proposal for new taxes. Means at that time the power was to impose the taxes in the hand of state journal, and the king had to be called the state journal to pass his proposal for new taxes. Now, what was the composition of journal state? In journal states, there are three states: first, second, and third. In first and second states, it had 300 representative. Means first and second sent 300. Means first had 300, second state has 300 representative, and third state has 600 representative. Means third state sent 600 representative for state journal. Now each states had one vote irrespective of the number of representative. Now the system is that the system of voting is that, means no one has one vote and one value. One state has one vote. This is the method of voting. Now king wanted that this method should be continue, because he know that the nobility and clergy was in favor of the king, and the third state was not favor of the king. Then after that the bill is going to be passed. So, but the number of third states, the members of third states demanded that the voting now be conducted by the assembly as whole, where each member would have one vote. But the third states wanted that there should be voting on the basis of one vote, one value, and this was the views put forwards by the philosopher Rousseau in his book The Social Contract. In his book Social Contract, he written that everyone has one vote, and it has equal value. So, what the king rejected this proposal. Member of third state walked out the assembly in protest. But the king was not in the favor of this proposal, and the third states walked out in protest. Now come to the tennis court oath. 20 June 1789. Means when they walked out from the state journals, they assembled at the indoor tennis court in Worsley. They declared themselves a national assembly. They swore not to disperse till they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the power of the monarch. Now they declare themselves as a national assembly of whole France, and they swore that they are not going to disperse till they had drafted a constitutions, and their main purpose to draft the constitutions was that to limit the power of the monarch. So now, the while National Assembly was busy at the Worsley drafting a constitution, the rest of the France seated with turmoil. Means when the National Assembly was busy to draft for drafting constitutions, in other area of the France there was alarming situations. Come to the city side, Paris. Means the sour winter had meant a bad harvest, the price of bread arose. You all know that means at that time there was a shortage of food, and at that time there was a bad harvest, means due to the winter, sour winter, and again there was a lot of shortage of food, and when there was a shortage of fruit, means prices of the bread rose, and those who are the bakers, they exploited the situations and holded the supply. Means after spending hour in a long queue at the bakery, crowds of angry women stormed into the shop. After that, this was starting of the French Revolution in Paris. This was the time of 14 July morning, 14 July 1789. Next, now come to the countryside. In countryside, rumors spread from village to village that the lords of manors had hired the bands of brigands who were on the way to destroy the ripe crops. Another rumors spread in the countryside, in the village, my dear, means it was a rumor that the lords of manors, means zamindar, feudal, they hired a bands of brigands, some peoples they hired, and they were on the way to destroy the ripe crops. Now the peasants was caught in a frenzy of fear. They were in fear. Now when they were in the fear, they attacked chattocks. Chattocks means the residence, the means house that belonging to the king or a noble family. King now faced with the power of the revolting subject, means in the city there was a revolt, in the village there was a revolt. So faced with the power of his revolting subject, Louis XVI finally accorded recognitions to the National Assembly. Now he was agree for the National Assembly. He also accepted the principle that his power would from now be checked by a constitutions. Now he was agree that there was a National Assembly, and that National Assembly also checked their power. So this is for the today, my dear. Thank you.